The first method that we'll show you is using a mechanical machine to stitch a 4-step buttonhole. The first thing that we have to do is to set our stitch length dial to the buttonhole setting. Next, we set the stitch selector dial to the first position for the buttonhole, which is normally marked as number 1, and this will do the bead down the left hand side of the buttonhole. Using this first basic method, we need to decide how long we sew the buttonhole so that it suits the button. The machine will sew each part of the buttonhole in 4 separate stages. In order to set the length, we first of all make sure the presser foot is pulled fully forwards and hold the button up against the presser foot so you can see which red graduation we need to sew along to for the buttonhole to be the correct length. Once you're happy you've got this, we can now sew down the left hand side and do the first bead of our buttonhole. The second position that we go to with this stitch selector dial is to position 2, and this will make the machine carry out the bar tack at the bottom of the buttonhole. The next setting that we go to is position 3, and this will do the bead on the right hand side of the buttonhole going backwards. And finally we go to position 4, which is in fact the same as position 2, which will do the bar tack at the end of the buttonhole.